Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into X account. Secure sign-in guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer has a stable internet connection. Open the official X app on your phone or go to X.com in a trusted web browser. Check that the address bar shows the correct domain and a secure connection before typing anything. On the home screen, tap or click Login to begin the sign-in process. Choose the login method you normally use, such as phone number, email address, or username. Carefully type your phone number, email, or username, and then select Next. Enter your password exactly as you created it, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a shared or public device, do not select any option that keeps you signed in. Tap or click Login and wait a moment for the account to load. If X asks for verification, choose your preferred option like email code, SMS code, or authentication app. Open your email or messages and find the latest verification code from X. Type the verification code into the prompt and confirm to continue. If you use an authenticator app, open it and enter the current 6-digit code before it expires. When prompted, review any security alerts and confirm it is really you. If X offers to save your login info, select Not Now unless it is your personal device. After you are signed in, go to Settings and Privacy to check your account security. Open Security and Account Access and then choose Security for protection options. Turn on two-factor authentication for stronger login security. Select Authentication app for the most secure option, then follow the setup instructions. If you prefer SMS, add and verify your phone number, but use it only if app-based 2FA is not available. Create a strong password if yours is weak, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password you use on other websites or apps. Check login activity to make sure all sessions and locations look familiar. If you see anything suspicious, log out of those sessions and change your password immediately. Update your email address and phone number so you can recover your account if needed. On a public computer, always log out by going to your profile menu and selecting Log Out. Close the browser or app after logging out to prevent anyone from reopening your session. If you cannot log in, use Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps with your email or phone number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.